Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are showing some bang realness, okay? And I'm super excited to show you the easy, quick installation process of today's wig. So if you guys are interested in seeing it, make sure you continue to watch. Alright y'all, so today's wig comes from BeautyForeverHair. So I do want to say thank you to them for sending over today's wig. You guys, this is the easiest installation process ever. If you need a good bang wig in your collection, this is going to be one to grab, okay? So it does come with a lace in the front. The bang is already thinned out, cut to perfection. It does have adjustable bands in it as well as combs, but I did not use either or today. I am just gonna wear it as is. And when I say this is a quick installation process, I literally mean that the whole content of this recording session was 7 minutes long. That's just how quick it will be for you to install this unit. So the wig does come out of the packaging, of course, a little bit crimped and whatnot. So I did use my flat iron on it just to straighten out those pieces that are no longer straight. So this unit is a straight texture hair. I want to say it's 24 inches long, but it could be possibly 22. However, I will have the definite wig details in my description bar below. I used high heat to straighten out the hair. About 410 is what my temperature was set on. I did also straighten out the bangs as well. You could add some curl to it if you would like, but I wanted mine to be bone straight. This wig and the bangs are everything, you guys. I love the density of it. I like that this wig isn't super thick, because I feel like you have to be very careful when it comes to wearing a wig with a bang. I personally do not like mine to be super duper thick that way, because you already have all the hair covering your forehead. And if it's a bigger or if it's a thicker unit in that and it's made that way, sometimes to me it comes off looking a little bit wiggy. And you want your wigs to look natural, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys are interested in today's wig, make sure you check out BeautyForeverHair. I will have the direct link to this exact wig in my description bar below for you to check it out. I highly recommend. There was nothing bad about today's wig. There was no shedding, of course no tangling. I love that it comes with the lace space for you to work with. The bangs are nice and thin, and the quality of the hair is just amazing. It feels so soft to the touch. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again to BeautyForeverHair for sending over today's wig, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.